Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore stock basis tracking with Fidelity tax documents, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore stock basis tracking with Fidelity tax documents, begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab located at the top of the page. Select Tax Documents from the drop-down menu. Locate the relevant tax year for which you want to restore your stock basis tracking. Download the appropriate tax documents, usually in PDF format. Open the downloaded document to assess your transaction history. Identify any transactions that may affect your stock basis, such as purchases, sales, or stock splits. Make a note of the important details, including dates, quantities, and prices. Next, access your brokerage account dashboard. Look for the History or Transaction History section. Here, you will find a detailed record of your trades and transactions. Cross-reference this information with the details in the tax documents. If discrepancies are found, note the reasons for the differences. To update your stock basis tracking, you may need to adjust the information in your brokerage account. Locate the section where you can manually enter or modify stock basis information. Input the corrected stock basis data according to the details from your tax documents. Ensure all calculations for capital gains and losses are accurate. After updating your stock basis, review your entire portfolio. Confirm that all adjustments reflect correctly across your holdings. If available, use any tax tools provided by Fidelity to assist in your calculations. Finally, save any changes made and keep records of both your tax documents and updated stock basis information for future reference. This process ensures accurate tracking of your stock basis for better tax reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.